So we're gonna try to get David a lemon for the first time. Look what I got, buddy. Look what I got. What is that? Look what I got. What is that? Can we help you? You want to taste it? Woo! Yuck! Want to try it again? Want to try it again? Whoa! Yucky! Ooh, yuck! Want to try again? You like it?
He smiled.
You like it?
He's like, it's what kind of taste is this?
It's good, but I don't know. Want another bite? Want another bite? Want one more bite? Ooh. Ooh. You like it? Is it good? You do like it. Want another bite? Oh, buddy. Oh, I just don't know. Oh, neat, huh? Oh, ah. One more.
David! Here, let him try it again. I'm going to take a picture.
You want to hold it? You like that? Would you rather have some peach? Would you rather have some peach? Does Daddy get you some peach?
David! Hey, Booger Bear!
Here you go. Remember the peach? Remember that? Mmm. Yum, yum. Try the lemonade. Oh, no. He wants the peach. Try this. Remember the lemon? Whoa! Whoa, it's like a smoothie. Remember this one? Peach? Yum. Ooh, yummy. Yummy. Peach. Peach. Yay! Lemon? I think he learned which one is which. Let's do this. Which one do you want? This one?
He definitely can choose.
He knows. He knows the difference. Mmm, nom, nom. What'd you think? I'm gonna let it right there, and you can take it if you want. You gonna learn how to grab it? How to pick it up? Gotta learn. Hold it. You did it all yourself. Mmm.